Assalamualaikum Uncle. Waalaikumsalam Abu. Come sit here. I'm so glad. Did you are loving the stories Abu? Yes Uncle. I just love the stories. Inshallah, I tell you the story of Hamzah bin Abdul Muttalib radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Allah supported Islam with the conversion of Hamzah. He was strong in defending the Prophet and his companions. Hamzah was unable, of course, to prevent all the harm alone, but his conversion was a shield that protected Muslims. He was the first invitation for many people to embrace Islam. The second source of inspiration came from the conversion of Umar bin al-Khattab radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Since his conversion, Hamzah devoted all his life and power to Allah and his religion. The Prophet honored him with the noble title, the Lion of Allah and his Messenger. Hamzah led the battle against the enemies of Muslims. The first banner that the Prophet Muhammad SAW handed any Muslim was Hamzah radhiyallahu anhu. Hamzah performed great deeds during the Battle of Badr. In the Battle of Badr, he performed a great feat which led the Muslim to the Quran seizely. The wounded Quraysh fled from the battlefield and stumbled back to Makkah disappointed, but they were not willing to accept the defeat easily. The next battle was called the Battle of Uhud. The cunning Quraysh men knew that winning the battle was impossible as long as Prophet and Hamzah remained in the field. They decided to choose a man who could assassinate Hamzah. There was an Abyssinian slave named Fasi who possessed extraordinary skills with the spear. He could strike with the spear at distant objects very precisely. They offered him money gift and also told him that we would have his freedom if he killed Hamzah. Fasi was hesitant at first, but the talk of freedom made him accept the offer. They told that his only role in the world was to kill with his spear and nothing else. They warned him not to engage himself in anything other than Hamzah, regardless of the situation in the battlefield. He was offered excellent rewards if he accepted this feat. The slave was owned by Jubair bin Maktum. Jubair's uncle had been killed in the Battle of Badr. He was angry at the Prophet and other followers, so Jubair said to him, "Kill Hamzah and you will be set free." Afterwards, the Quraysh sent Fasi to Hind bin Utbah, who was the wife of Abu Sufyan. The Quraysh wanted her incur the slave as she had lost her father, uncle, brother, and son in the war. It was said that Hamzah had been behind their deaths.